What's up guys, and welcome to the video. That was the first time I did a muscle up without using momentum for my legs. And that's after having a torn bicep. And it's all because of the change in my training. I'll go into it into further detail, but it has something to do with training to failure and close to failure. Hello, random lady. And I got a little flower as a reward. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. If you're trying to get your front lever, this is a great exercise to do. This is a regression of the exercise. It's called a front lever tuck or advanced tuck, depending on how you do it. If you want to do calisthenics but you can't do a pull-up yet, bands are always a great option. This allows you to train at your level, and it makes you able to do the exercise without having to do a crazy regression of it. I trained bench yesterday, so I'm really taking it easy on these dips. My chest was so sore. My training looks like Tuesday I train, Thursday I train, and then I train Saturday and Sunday. Because it's Sunday and I trained yesterday, taking it easy is important so that I can get my overall volume higher. Studies have shown that overall volume is just as important as training intensity. I love training in the park because you always get dogs that come by, they sniff you while you're doing a pull-up or a handstand, and it's always really wholesome. Trying to increase brain capacity here. Yes, the duo pull-up. Great for, you know what, we'll just move on. As I was saying, I now train close to failure instead of to failure on every set. Multiple studies have shown that when you train close to failure, you get the same results as training to failure without the same amount of fatigue and injury. Just think about it logically. If you do a deadlift at max capacity, how often can you do that? And here was your average powerlifter doing some muscle ups. He was very proud of himself. Thinks he's a big man. Now bands are useful for everyone, no matter your level. He's just messing around here. But when I first started out and I couldn't do a muscle up, I was using 3 bands to help me get an explosive pull-up. Then I went to 2 bands. And then I went to 1 band. It's a great way to decrease your weight while still doing calisthenics. Finally finishing off with some hanging. I've talked about it in the past, but we'll just go over it briefly. Decompresses your spine, improves grip strength, and also really helps out your shoulders. Here are a few studies with those facts. I'm doing some scapular raises to train my traps and my rotator cuffs. It's important to train the big muscles and the small muscles.